पर्यन्तं शरणं गच्छामि तत्यंपि अहं बुद्धं जीवित पर्यन्तं शरणं गच्छामि।
Hello friends, you are watching All Bahushan Media. I am your host Manoj Antani. Here my friend Mr.
M.S. Prabhu Maurya.
Here my friend M.S. Prabhu Maurya, who today who adopt Buddha and his Dhamma.
Yes.
Why he adopt Buddha and his Dhamma? This is the question. Why you are adopting Buddha and his Dhamma?
Buddha and his Dhamma, Buddhism. I am searching about Buddhism a lot of 10 years before. I am searching many things, many in internet and any street in Tamil Nadu. I doesn't know how to conversion in Buddhism. After 2015 only I got some information about Buddhism in Chennai.
When you are in Tamil Nadu, which is your past religion?
Past religion is Hinduism.
Hinduism. मैं दर्शकों को हिंदी में बता दूं, अपने दर्शकों को जो गांव देहात में है, आर्या साहब कन्नड़ से आते हैं।
आई एम तमिलनाडु इज माय लैंग्वेज।
तमिलनाडु से आते हैं, इंग्लिश जानते हैं, हिंदी नहीं जानते हैं। आज इन्होंने भारतीय बौद्ध महासभा दिल्ली प्रदेश के मंच पर अपने हिंदू धर्म को छोड़ते हुए, त्यागते हुए बुद्ध धर्म को अपनाया है। तो वो बता रहे हैं कि मुझे जब मैंने बुद्ध की खोज की, बुद्ध के बारे में पढ़ा, यंग है, एनर्जेटिक है, और जब इन्होंने पढ़ा तो इनको लगा कि मुझे बुद्धिज्म एडॉप्ट करना चाहिए। क्या व्हाट द प्रॉब्लम इन हिंदूज?
What is the problem in Hinduism is it is a psychological problem. Every Buddhist, every Hindu prefers the religion of Hinduism. It is psychologically they are not allowing to the temple. We don't know actually. We are historically we are not a Hindu. After the British is giving a name for the Hindu.
Now you are adopting Buddha and Dhamma.
Yes.
Your family?
Yeah, my family members previously converted. My father and mother first converted. After that, third person I am converting today. My homely, yes, I am happy. Yes, I am happy. First.
And what is the appeal? Other Tamil Nadu?
What do you feel about other Tamil Nadu?
Yes.
Tamil Nadu also Buddhism nowadays developing. Day by day it's booming. But the laws and all not having a fulfilled laws for the Buddhist. Why I am coming to Delhi? Delhi is the capital of India. It is getting a fulfilled law for every Buddhist, Indian Buddhist. So
any appeal you want to do with our country members?
Country members?
Yes.
For our nation, you tell me. Actually, historically, our India is a Buddhist country. Indian history, you can Maurya Samaj is the biggest Samaj dynasty in India. That is what our culture, our tradition, everything is a Buddhism tradition. But we don't know. We are professing another religion, Hinduism. Somebody is professing Christianity and Muslim. That is some other another country religion. Maybe that Christianism and Muslim also another country religion. Our own country is Buddhism is the only religion in our culture. We doesn't know all the Indians are most of them are Buddhist. They doesn't know, but they are following the Buddhism, but they are not converting to the Buddhism. It is not only for the Dalit people to convert Buddhism, for everybody should convert Buddhism. Not only for the Hindus to convert Buddhism. Yes. Every religions are welcome to convert the Buddhism. You can learn about the peace. Another thing is if you are in the God faith, the God faith will destroy your life. Something destroyed in your life. It is what is a rebirth theory. This is all destroyed our life every day. So we should not trust the God. We are in the peace mindset to worship Buddha. Like meditations, all those things give a proper solution for every human being. Not only for the Indians, for every world peace. Buddhism is a nice religion. Now I feel rebirth. That is today I am a true birth to become a good human being. First of all, I profess Buddhism. It is very emerging Buddhism, converted Buddhism. It is word conversion, but I realized I am historically I am a Buddhist. Now only I realized that is a true thing.
इन्होंने अपने वक्तव्य में कहा है कि मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि आज मेरा पुनर्जन्म हुआ है या मेरा आज जन्म हुआ है। मैं अपने पुराने घर में वापस आया हूँ, मैंने हिंदू धर्म को त्यागा नहीं है, मैं उसमें था ही नहीं। और अब एक अपील भी पूरे देशवासियों से कर रहे हैं कि आप किसी भी धर्म को मानते हो, लेकिन अगर आपको लगता है कि आपके धर्म के अंदर समानता, अंधविश्वास, पाखंड ऐसी चीज़ें हैं, समानता नहीं है, असमानता का वहाँ पर भाव आपको दिखाई देता है, तो आपका भी स्वागत है बुद्धिज्म के अंदर। बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद आपका अपने विचार साझा करने।
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. I don't know Hindi. I talk in English. I like to learn Hindi because I'm here in Delhi for learn Hindi. So I love Hindi also. In soon I will talk in Hindi also.
थैंक्स अगेन।
Thank you very much, everybody. Bye.
होने के बाद उन्होंने 22 प्रतिज्ञाएं डिजाइन की थी, डिजाइन फॉर कॉमन पीपल, फॉर आवर पीपल, दैट इज कॉल्ड धम्मा। एंड those 22 vows we take when we refuse to the Buddhism. In Buddhism we take refuse all the 22 vows given by Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. So I will speak, after that you will speak all the 22, right?
So, you record in English?
Yes, of course, sir.
Okay.
Dr. Baba Sahib Dr. Ambedkar, 22 vows. First vow is, I shall have no faith in Brahma, Vishnu and Mahesh.
I shall not have
Ah.
any faith in
Brahma,
Brahma,
Vishnu
Vishnu,
and Mahesh.
and Mahesh.
Nor shall I worship them. Nor shall I worship them.
Now, how shall I worship them? एक word बोल
Second vow, I shall have no faith in Rama. Okay. I shall have no faith in Rama and Krishna, who are believed to be incarnation of God, nor shall I worship them. I shall have no faith in Gauri, Ganpati and other gods and goddesses of Hindus, nor shall I worship them. For I do not believe in the incarnation of God. For I do not and shall not believe that Lord Buddha was the incarnation of Vishnu. I believe this to be sheer madness and false propaganda. 6. I shall not perform Shraddh, nor shall I give pin. Seven, I shall not act in a manner violating the principles and teachings of the Buddha. 8. I shall not allow any ceremonies to be performed by Brahmins. 9. I shall believe in the equality of man. 10. I shall endeavor to establish equality. 11. I shall follow the noble eightfold path of the Buddha. 12th, I shall follow the ten paramitas prescribed by the Buddha. 13th, I shall have compassion and loving kindness for all living beings and protect them. 14th, I shall not steal. चोरी नहीं करूँगा, right? 15th, I shall not tell lies. झूठ नहीं बोलूँगा. 16th, I shall not commit carnal sins. 17th, I shall not take intoxicants like liquor, drugs, etc. 18th, I shall endeavor to follow the noble eightfold path. This is Ashtanga path, eightfold path. And practice compassion and loving kindness in everyday life. In everyday life. 19th, I renounce Hinduism, which disfavors humanity and impedes the advancement and development of humanity because it is based on inequality and adopt Buddhism as my religion. As my religion, right? 24, I firmly believe the Dhamma of the Buddha is the only true religion. 21st quote, I consider that I have taken a new birth, or I believe that by adopting Buddhism, I am having a rebirth. I am having a rebirth. Now onward you are in a new birth. Okay. 22nd quote, I solemnly declare and affirm that I shall hereafter lead my life according to the teachings of Buddha Dhamma. Sadhu, sadhu, sadhu. Now you have taken review of Buddha Dhamma.
Congress.
पर्यन्तं शरणं गच्छामि तत्यंपि अहं बुद्धं जीवित पर्यन्तं शरणं गच्छामि तत्यंपि अहं धम्मं जीवित पर्यन्तं शरणं गच्छामि तत्यंपि अहं संघं जीवित पर्यन्तं शरणं गच्छामि। तीसरण गमनं संपूर्णम्। अब पाणातिपाता वेरमणि शिक्षा सिक्खापदं समादियामि अदिन्नदाना वेरमणि सिक्खापदं समादियामि कामेषु मिच्छचारा वेरमणि सिक्खापदं समादियामि मुसावादा वेरमणि सिक्खापदं समादियामि सुरा मेरे मज्ज पमादठाना वेरमणि सिक्खापदं समादियामि साधु साधु साधु